Almost 850 text messages were sent from Graham Dwyer's work mobile phone to Elaine O'Hara's phone number between January 2008 and December 2009, the Central Criminal Court has been told. The court was also told a phone discovered in the Vartree Reservoir in Wicklow in September 2013 was linked to Mr Dwyer by Gardaí through analysis of call data records and toll booth records. Viewers may find some of the details towards the end of this report distressing.
Garda crime and policing analyst Sarah Sked analysed data relating to 5 mobile phone numbers and handsets. The court heard the first part of her analysis related to trying to find the user of an 086 mobile phone number attached to one of 2 Nokia phones found in the Vartree Reservoir in Roundwood shortly after Elaine O'Hara's remains were discovered. Ms Sked said she established the phone had been used on July the 4th, 2012 in Galway and then later in Dublin too. A gap of more than 2 hours suggested the user had used the motorway network to get to Dublin. Her analysis of messages sent and received by this phone suggested it was in Dublin too during the day on weekdays and was used in South County Dublin during the evenings. She identified a small blue car on Toll Plaza records. It was registered to Graham Dwyer, whose address was in Foxrock in South County Dublin. The court also heard 847 text messages were sent from Mr Dwyer's work mobile phone number to Elaine O'Hara's phone number between January 2008 and December 2009. Jim Faulkner from Vodafone identified Mr Dwyer's mobile phone records. Garda analysis showed 14 texts were sent to Ms O'Hara's number on January the 15th, 2008. The texts continued until December the 4th, 2009. 53 texts were sent on October the 3rd, 2008. Statements were also read to the court from a friend of Elaine O'Hara's, Elaine Toomey. She said Elaine told her she found men on websites who would visit her, tie her up and cut her. She would also self-harm. She said Elaine told her she had 3 or 4 regulars, including a man called Adam who was different and wouldn't tie her up. Ms Toomey also said Elaine told her in January 2012 that she'd had a miscarriage in her apartment. She deleted Ms O'Hara's number because she was getting too needy, she said. She last saw her in August 2012 when they both said hello to each other and went on their separate ways. Orla O'Donnell, RTE News, the Central Criminal Court.